Welcome back to Online Tools Master Your Home for discovering the coolest tools on the web. Today, we're diving into a truly mesmerizing world, the Canopy Fractal Generator. In this part 1, we'll walk through 6 unique fractal designs, each crafted with specific angles, scaling, and gradient styles. Get ready to draw the most beautiful, custom fractal trees right from your browser. To access the tool, just open your browser and go to www.onlinetools.com/fractal. Here you can find the Canopy Fractal Generator tool. It's that simple. The Canopy Fractal Generator is the world's simplest fractal tool. It lets you create colorful, detailed canopy fractals, right in your browser with over a dozen customizable settings. You can adjust branch angles, branch scaling, trunk size, canvas padding, gradients, even disable the trunk completely if you want to start straight with branches. And fun fact, the fractal canopy resembles the human pulmonary system. How cool is that? First up, the classic regular canopy fractal. Both branches bend at about 16 degrees with length and width scaled by 0.75 and 0.7. We use a bright harlequin green to blush pink gradient across the tree, and it looks absolutely stunning on a cerise red to Cristal pink background. Now you can simply save your fractal image. Next, meet the wavy tree fractal. With a left bend of 20 degrees and a sharp 90 degrees on the right, it curves into an asymmetric, wave-like shape. Built over 13 iterations, each segment shrinks with a 0.7 factor and fades from deep blue to black, all of it riding a pink-yellow sky, like a fractal caught in a sunset breeze. Then you can simply save your fractal image. Get ready for the curly tree fractal. With a gentle 30-degree left turn and a sharp 60-degree right twist, it starts to curl inward, like a tree wrapping its branches around itself. The left side shrinks at 0.65 times per level, while the right side moves slower at 0.75, creating that signature curl. Built over 12 iterations, this 16-pixel thick trunk fades into a vibrant yellow to blue gradient as it reaches toward the twigs. All of this unfolds on a deep purple backdrop like a fractal tucked away in the night. Now you can simply save your fractal image. Now meet the Dragonfly Canopy Fractal. With a dramatic 345-degree right angle and a sharp 90-degree left angle, this fractal leans heavily to the left, mimicking the wings of a dragonfly in flight. Generated over 12 iterations, the branches spread out like delicate wings, creating a beautiful symmetry. The image expands to 1,000 pixels tall and 800 pixels wide. And each branch is filled with a vibrant gradient, starting from selective yellow at the base and transitioning to green at the top. A deep purple background gives the tree a mystical nighttime feel. Now you can simply save your fractal image. Next, we are introducing the Canopy H-Tree Fractal. Both branches in this tree turn at a right angle, the critical angle that transforms it into a space-filling fractal. With these 90-degree angles, the tree's branches spread out to completely fill a square. After 11 iterations, we get a stunning 2,047 segments forming the Hausdorff fractal, also known as the H-tree. The branches are filled with a gradient of deep blue to vibrant purple, while the background fades from soft green to aqua, adding to the fractal's depth and complexity. Now you can simply save your fractal image. Behold the Canopy Dragon Fractal. This one truly looks like a dragon in motion. With carefully chosen branch angles of 45 and 120 degrees, and length scale factors of 0.75 and 0.6, this fractal diverges from the typical tree design, resembling more of a mythical creature than a tree. We've also skipped the trunk to enhance the dragon-like appearance. After 13 iterations, this fractal comes to life in a gradient that transitions from lipstick pink at the base to pure white at the tips. The background fades from a deep blue to dark purple, completing the dragon-like vibe. Now you can simply save your fractal image. In part 2, we'll show you 6 more beautiful and intriguing canopies, from spirals to bubble-like patterns. Make sure to check out the Canopy Fractal Generator at www.onlinetools.com/fractal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more visual math tools and tutorials. Stay curious and keep exploring.